Riu tithiri utati wa mwaka wa girigiri na mirongo iri na igiri ni wambitie kwarirwo guko Kiama gikigeria gwithagathaga na kwihariria na njira iria ciothe mangihota mbere ya githurano kinene. Muthi Kiama kia Jubilee gikionia murango amwe atongoria aria makoretwo makioneka ta marakararia mugambo wa thirikari maundu-ini ngurani. Kipchumba Murkomen akihagurwo ta mutongoria wa ringi mbunge-ini no, na riu giturwa giake gikuiyukio ni seneta wa kaunti ya West Pokot Samuel Phogisio na munini wake egukorwo ari seneta wa Isiolo Fatuma Dulo. Susan Kihika na akihagurwo ta muhuri mucarica wa Kiama kia Jubilee mbunge-ini no, na giturwa giake gikuiyukio ni seneta wa Murang'a Irungu Kang'ata na munini wake egukorwo ari seneta wa guthukio Farhia Ali Haji.
Ni network ya wakora. What they are doing is actually forging signatures. I can tell you for sure they had 11 senators from Jubilee in that State House this morning.
The decision to remove myself and Senator Kihika as majority leader and majority whip is therefore null and void.
MOGARURUKU maya makinyanirio hindi ya giikaro gatagati ga senators a Kiama kia Jubilee na mutongoria wa bururi thingiraini wa iregi giikaro kiria kingatheirio na njira nene ni senators aria manyitaga mbaru munini wa mutongoria wa bururi Ndagitari William Ruto.
Mkutano hatukuitwa na hatukuambiwa kuna agenda ya kutoa mtu yoyote.
We must stop running the party as though it is family property. We must stop running the party as a one-man show. It is a party that has organs that must be respected and whose work must be carried out properly.
Ona kuri uguo senators aya na aria makoragwo mwaho-ini wa Tangatanga ni mehitete kuregera iturwa-ini ici guku makiuga mitaratara iria ibatie ndinahuthirwo kumarutirwa iturwa-ini ciao.
Truth is that there was no meeting of Jubilee. There was no meeting to remove us. The meeting did not have the number of people they are purporting that they had to remove us. And therefore, we will proceed to perform our responsibilities and duties with honor that was bestowed upon us by the people of Kenya and the fellow senators of Jubilee.
Makiruta mutongoria wa bururi mahetia Kihika na Murkomen ningi ni mamuritie hang'anie na maundu ma guteithia muingi mahinda-ini maya maritu no ti gukungia ngwataniro na kuheana iturwa na njira ya ngungo.
The president was busy uniting the country. I wish the president was helping us as Kenyans with the issues of corona.
MOGARURUKU maya ni mamukiretwo na magwoni ngurani ni atongoria aria angi kiama-ini giki kia Jubilee guku MOGARURUKU ta maya magitanywo gutabanio mbunge-ini ya bururi makirongoreria aria makoretwo magitua mbugi matu.
Riria wathurwo wekirwo wabici-ini angikorwo ndugukorwo na kioneki na kiroto kia andu acio magwikirite wabici kindu kiria ubataire gwika ona mbere ya uingatitwo ubataire gukorwo kieheria ona aria nao mari National Assembly kwiragwo ungikona muratagwo kiongo giaku giake gikienjwo giaku nawe hakamai
kweheria andu hatie na gitumi gia kuga uria andu maageria kurehe amwe nginya gutonyia media-ini ati andu ani magiragia uhuru rutero uria wagirire ni njirwo biru iria gwa senate itahutukite nundu wa Murkomen kana Susan gutire
gukinyeria riu Jubilee nereketie kugia na wiguano na Kiama gia KANU. Phogisio noria wathurirwo ta seneta na Kiama gia KANU ari wa mbere kuguneka kumana na ngwataniro eno iria yahota kurehe njatukano hiu gatagati ka rumiriria Ruto na ria manyitaga mutongoria wa bururi mbaru.